Here I have INFINIX Hot 30 Play, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. First, let's go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button not this ultra power. We need just an ordinary power saving, so it's nowhere to be found here. Then we go to settings, then we go to power marathon, and here you can find power boost. So basically you can enable it like this. Here you can switch features which you want to enable, which you want to disable, and you just enable it like this. So for example, you can enable dark mode, you can enable adaptive brightness, you can disable vibrator, disable action and gesture, optimize volume, switch refresh rate, and disable screen notifications. So yeah, and in the same way you can disable this mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.